In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the category of your Kick stream on Kick. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure that we watch this video the whole way through to ensure that we get all the steps correct and we don't miss anything out, because if you do, you might mess something up and you might mess up your stream. That being said, let's get right into this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into kick.com and make sure you are logged in. Then when you're logged in, you want to go up to the top corner here and go over to your profile and then go over to the creator dashboard section. Now from here, what we can do is there's a lot of settings here. The ones that we need to access are up here, edit stream info. So we can click on here and there's actually a few settings we can change. So we can change the title, we can change the category. This is the main one we're looking for. So, you know, if we're playing Minecraft, we can put that in there. Minecraft Ben 10, let's say we're playing that. That's basically where we're going to change it. We can change it to anything we want in here. Roblox Studio, whatever you'd like to do. You can change the language here. You can change if it's for mature audiences only, yes or no. And then you can hit save. So give that a second to save. And then when you start your stream again, it should start in the category that you've just changed it to. There's a lot of other settings that you can change in here. And there is commands that you can actually do it in the chat. So you can do /category, category, and then you can put it in here. So you can put like Minecraft, /category. Oh yeah, so you can just type it in there and then we can type it in here. So you put like Minecraft or whatever in. But that's basically how you would go about doing it. You'd hit save on that and then it would change the category. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.